honor to be with you here today as we celebrate the birthday of Medicare. As Mayor Stanton said, I serve in the state legislature and have just completed, or will be completing, I guess in December actually, my 20th year. And some of that service was in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. I skipped the decades of the 2000s, and just 2 years ago, decided that what was happening down there wasn't very positive for the people that I serve, both and the families that I know, both through my classroom and from my legislative experience. And one of the biggest challenges we see today is health care and Medicare and Social Security are programs that allow us who are of that age group, including myself, to have a stable economic situation so that we're not relying on our children and our grandchildren to take care of those needs. And I want to remind us all that Medicare and Social Security are not entitlement programs that are gifts to us. They are programs that each of us, as we have worked year after year, day after day, have paid into. And those are things that we need to be very vigilant about keeping whole and well-funded, not only for ourselves, but for those who follow us, like Mayor Stanton. We want, when his time to sign up comes, that there's a good, stable system in place for him. And I do have to say, one little personal note, my friend Danny Pollard has been my friend since those 70s and has worked on these causes and many more that make for good things for all of us. And so my hat's off to you, Danny, and it was a pleasure to see you when I walked into this room today. But when I go door to door and I talk to people, or when people call my office, one of the things they are most concerned about is health care, and we do our best to make sure folks receive the health care that they need and that they deserve. And so many of the folks that are just under that 65 years literally are holding their breath, hoping they don't have any major medical catastrophes before they reach that age. So all of us need to band together to make sure Medicare and Social Security stay strong, not for just us, but for the generations that follow. And it's a pleasure to be here today as your representative. My colleagues, Representative Katie Hobbs and House Leader Chad Campbell, regret that they could not be here, but send their best wishes and happy birthday to you also. Thank you.